When it comes to drying, nothing beats the effectiveness of bringing a mobile heater to the restoration job. There are many heating units to choose from, but only one is purpose-built for the challenges of restorative drying. That's the Dragon 3600 from Dri-Eaz. Designed and built in our US plant, the diesel-fueled, indirect-fired Dragon 3600 is the highest quality heater on the market. It uses only premium components throughout. With 120,000 BTUs of heat, true 700 CFM, and only drawing 9 amps, the diesel-fired Dragon can produce up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius of temperature rise to accelerate drying in the worst conditions. Best of all, the Dragon offers a minimum runtime of 36 hours without refueling. Adding heat to a drying system boosts vapor pressure and evaporation rates. The addition of heat is critical when extremely cold temperatures outside limit the temperature inside or when the building's HVAC system is not operating. A mobile heater can also be used to heat the cold, dry air from outside and use it in a heat and air exchange system. But mobile heat isn't just for winter. The use of a mobile heater can improve the effectiveness of a drying system in almost any condition. The bottom line is this: the more heat energy you can add to your drying environment, the more quickly and efficiently you can complete the restorative drying process. Why use the Dragon 3600? It's an indirect-fired diesel heater that lets you create an optimal temperature for drying without overtaxing the job site electrical load or introducing combustion byproducts into the drying environment. We specifically designed the Dragon for restoration. It provides over 3 times the runtime of other units, 36 hours or more without refueling. Its thermostat has a remote sensor that helps operators comply with the RIA's Safe Harbor Clause. And it's the first heater with an easy altitude adjustment. It uses a superior quality Becket burner, and the combustion chamber and heat exchanger are 100% TIG-welded stainless steel. Unlike the aluminized steel used in competitive units, the Dragon's components will not rust out due to thermal cycling. The Dragon's other best-in-class features include intelligent sensor technology for safer operation, a nozzle heater for surefire cold weather startup, an auto-off feature that shuts down the blower when the unit cools down. The weather guard keeps moisture out of the burner, and it increases the temperature rise to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Additional features include a sight gauge to keep an eye on the fuel remaining, a fuel drain plug for easy draining of diesel at the end of the season or at the end of the job, a fuel filter that's available at auto supply stores, a lit power cord plug so you can easily tell if the circuit is live, wide wheels that are semi-pneumatic so they never need air, a handle designed for easy maneuverability and ramp loading. The Dragon can also be used to provide heat during remodels or as a temporary heat in shelters. Your Dragon comes ready to roll with 25 feet of 12-inch heat-resistant ducting and a quick clamp, a 50-foot remote sensor for the thermostat, a stack and rain cap, 4 ounces of Diesel Guard winterizing treatment. There are many reasons that the Dragon 3600 is the highest quality heater on the market. Designed and built in our Legend Brands US plant, the Dragon uses only premium components to provide long-term assurance of mobile heat you can depend on. This season, every season.